Welcome back to CARHOW, the place where we explore the most exciting vehicles on the road and beyond. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, luxurious, and adventure-ready, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper. Built on the trusted platform of GMC, this extraordinary limo camper blends executive-class comfort with the freedom of the open road. If you've ever imagined traveling across the country without sacrificing five-star luxury, this vehicle might just be your dream machine. At first glance, the 2026 Savana Limo Camper commands attention. Its extended limousine-style body instantly separates it from ordinary camper vans. The exterior design feels bold and upscale, especially in a deep metallic dark red finish that shines brilliantly under sunlight or showroom lighting. The long wheelbase not only enhances road presence, but also allows for an incredibly spacious interior layout. Chrome accents, a refined front grille, LED headlights, and sleek body lines give it a premium executive vibe. This is not just a camper, it's a statement on wheels. Under the hood, the 2026 Savana Limo Camper is expected to carry forward GMC's powerful and reliable engine options. Most configurations will likely include a strong V8 engine, delivering smooth acceleration and enough torque to confidently handle highway cruising, mountain roads, and long-distance travel. Despite its size, the ride remains surprisingly smooth thanks to upgraded suspension systems designed for both comfort and stability. Whether you're driving through city streets or exploring remote destinations, the Savana Limo Camper feels solid and composed. Now let's step inside because this is where the magic truly happens. Opening the wide, power-assisted doors reveals a luxury lounge that feels more like a private jet cabin than a van. Premium leather seating surrounds the main cabin area, often arranged in a VIP configuration with captain's chairs or wraparound sofas. Ambient LED lighting lines the ceiling and side panels, creating a relaxing atmosphere, especially during night drives. The ceiling design often includes custom patterns, fiber optic star lighting, or modern geometric details that enhance the limousine experience. The materials used throughout the cabin are carefully selected for comfort and elegance. Soft touch panels, polished wood trims, brushed metal finishes, and detailed stitching elevate the interior to executive standards. Tinted windows ensure privacy while also reducing heat and glare. Many conversions also include smart glass partitions, allowing passengers to separate the driver's cabin from the living area at the touch of a button. Entertainment plays a big role in the Savana Limo Camper experience. Large flat-screen displays, premium surround sound systems, Bluetooth connectivity, and smart device integration transform the interior into a mobile entertainment lounge. Whether you're watching movies, streaming music, or hosting a small business meeting on the go, this camper is fully equipped to keep everyone comfortable and connected. Moving toward the kitchen area, you'll find a surprisingly functional and modern setup. Despite being compact, the kitchen is designed to maximize space efficiency. A polished countertop, often finished in marble style or quartz material, provides preparation space. Built-in appliances such as a microwave, induction cooktop, mini refrigerator, and stainless steel sink make it easy to prepare meals while traveling. Overhead cabinets and hidden storage compartments ensure that utensils, groceries, and cookware stay organized during transit. Soft ambient lighting under the cabinets adds warmth and style. Now let's talk about the bedroom area. The extended body of the 2026 Savana Limo Camper allows for a dedicated sleeping space that feels private and cozy. Most configurations include a comfortable double bed with high-quality mattress support. Surrounding the bed are storage cabinets, reading lights, USB charging ports, and sometimes even a mounted television. The bedroom lighting can often be adjusted to create a calm, relaxing environment after a long day on the road. Sound insulation ensures minimal outside noise, helping you enjoy peaceful sleep wherever you park. The bathroom is another impressive feature. Unlike standard camper vans that compromise on bathroom space, the limo camper configuration provides a more complete solution. A compact yet elegant bathroom includes a glass-enclosed shower, a modern sink with vanity mirror, a cassette or marine toilet system, and proper ventilation. Waterproof materials and smart layout design ensure durability while maintaining a clean, upscale look. Having a full bathroom on board dramatically increases convenience, especially during long trips or off-grid adventures. Technology and safety are also key highlights of the 2026 model. Advanced driver assistance features expect to include lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, and a high-definition rear-view camera system. These technologies make maneuvering such a large vehicle much easier and safer. Parking sensors and 360-degree camera systems can also assist in tight spaces. Climate control systems ensure year-round comfort. High-capacity air conditioning units and efficient heating systems maintain the perfect temperature inside, regardless of the weather outside. Some configurations may even include solar panel options and upgraded battery systems, allowing partial off-grid functionality for eco-conscious travelers. One of the most common questions about a luxury limo camper like this is the price. Because the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is typically a custom conversion vehicle, pricing can vary significantly depending on features, finishes, and technology packages. However, you can expect the base model to start around $95,000 to $110,000. Fully loaded luxury versions with premium materials, high-end electronics, custom interiors, and advanced off-grid systems can range between $130,000 and $160,000 or even higher. While this may sound expensive, it's important to remember that you're combining a limousine, a luxury lounge, a small apartment, and a travel vehicle all in one. Who is this vehicle for? The Savana Limo Camper is perfect for entrepreneurs, content creators, traveling executives, families who love road trips, and anyone seeking a blend of prestige and practicality. It can serve as a mobile office, a weekend getaway vehicle, a touring van, or even a compact luxury home on wheels. Another major advantage is customization. Buyers can personalize exterior colors, interior materials, seating layouts, lighting themes, and entertainment systems. This flexibility ensures that each Savana Limo Camper feels unique to its owner. Whether you prefer a modern minimalist look or a classic luxury style, customization options are extensive. Fuel efficiency may not be its strongest point due to the powerful engine and extended size, but for those investing in this level of comfort and performance, practicality is balanced with experience. Maintenance costs are relatively manageable compared to larger motorhomes, especially since the Savana platform is widely supported across service centers. As road travel continues to grow in popularity, especially among people seeking flexibility and independence, vehicles like the 2026 Savana Limo Camper represent the future of luxury mobility. It's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about enjoying every mile in comfort and style. So, what do you think about the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper? Is this your dream road trip machine, or would you customize it differently? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Savana Limo Camper, make sure to subscribe to CARHOW for more exciting automotive content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who love luxury vehicles and travel adventures. Your support helps us bring more amazing cars and campers to the channel. Thanks for watching CARHOW, and we'll see you in the next video.